Hello and welcome to the State College Area School District School Messenger Training. I'm Nabil Mark in the SCASD Communications Department. This video is a supplement to our full-length School Messenger Training video, which walks you how to compose messages, pick lists, and things like that. This video specifically is designed to teach you how to compose an email and add a text and phone call. So let's get started. First, go to School Messenger and log in. Once you log into School Messenger, you will see your home screen and you're going to do a new broadcast as you would normally do. For any broadcast that I'm going to do as a general practice, I always compose my messages ahead of time, and especially when we're going to be using text and email and phone call, because the phone call and the text message will need to be different than the email message. So the first thing you'll do is, what I've done here is composed the messages in a Google Doc, and I have them titled email, phone call, and text. That way I'm all set when I get into School Messenger that I can just go through the process. So the first thing I'm going to do is the email part, because that's what we always need to start with. So I will copy the subject, go back to School Messenger, paste my subject in. Then, as usual, you would select your recipients either from a saved list or make a new list that you are going to send out. For this case, in training purposes, I'm just going to use the add me function. That way I can move on without any other emails being associated with this test email. Once you have put your subject in and selected who this message is going to go to, go ahead and hit continue. So the first thing you'll do, just like your regular messages, is just construct your email. So enter your name, the reply to, you have your subject in here. So I'll go back to the Google Doc. I will take my email and I will copy that and paste it into the body of the message. If you remember, it always pastes it in bolded, so you need to select it all and hit this little TX button, and that will unbold it. And then you need to fix your spacing issues. When you backspace this, in order to get it single spaces, hold shift and return, and that will single space. I have my name, subject, and the message. I always hit preview to make sure everything looks good. And we're good. This message looks nice. I will hit save. And now you see that we have email has lighted up green. That means the email is ready to go. Now that my email is composed, I'm going to go ahead and add a phone call to this message. So the first thing that you do is you click the phone message. You can see that the email is green. That means it's ready to go. So I click the phone and a new window will pop up. And this is where you're going to compose your phone call. So once again, there's a blank area here. This is called the scratch pad. You don't have to use this, but this is where you will paste the message in. So I'm going to go back to my email. I'm going to take the phone call part of this and I'm going to paste it in here. And then I can read this whenever it calls. So it defaults to your building phone number here, but really you can change this number to whatever you want, any phone number in the world. For our purposes, I'm going to put in my cell phone number. That way I can, anyone viewing this video can hear it. I'll put it on speakerphone when it calls. So I have my text of what I want to say right here. I have the phone number in, and it says call me to record, so I'm going to call now to record.
Hello. When you are ready to begin recording your message, press 1 and follow the prompts. Begin speaking immediately after the beep. Press any key to stop recording.
Hello, this is Nabil Mark from the State College Area School District. This is a training video regarding the School Messenger communications platform. In this video, we'll be hearing how to compose an email message and then add a phone call and text. Please check your email for further information.
Your message will now play back.
Hello, this is Nabil Mark from the State College Area School District. This is a training video regarding the SchoolMessenger communications platform. In this video, we'll be hearing how to compose an email message and then add a phone call to text. Please check your email for further information.
To save this message, press 1. To replay this message, press 2. Your message has been saved.
So I pressed 1
Bye.
and SchoolMessenger automatically hung up my phone. And now you see it popped up right here that now there is a message. So you can listen to that message simply by pressing this button right here. It will play it. So we know we have a message and we're all set. There we go. So then we just go down and we hit save. So now we have a phone call, we have an email, and the last thing we need to do is just add a text message. So you click the SMS text message button, go over to your pre-made
Hello. When you are ready to begin recording your message, press 1 and follow the prompts. Begin speaking immediately after the beep. Press any key to stop recording.
communications, copy that, paste it in, and just remember, it says here the character count. I have 152 characters and the max is 160. If you go over 160 like this, an error message comes up, the whole thing turns red, and basically it says you're not able to do this. This message has 305 characters and you're only allowed to have 160. So I'll take that off. It goes green again, meaning it's ready to go, and I hit save. So now the message is done. I have a phone call, I have an email, I have an SMS, and I will hit continue. Everything looks good. Congratulations. This message is ready for submission, and you simply hit send now, and your message is out.